Hi everyone, it's Bella from mergerdata.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can visualize predictions on a line graph in Tableau. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is create a new sheet, and then I'm going to drag sale date into columns, and I'm gonna drag sales into rows. And then I'm also going to separate this out into quarter. So now we have a line graph of sum of sales over time separated into by quarter. And to add a prediction, I'm going to go to analytics and forecast and just drag it right here. And now you'll see that it is forecasted. Let me move my screen over. You can see that it's forecasted here. And let's say I want to connect these two together. The easiest way to do that is to come over here to forecast under marks, click on the arrow and change the forecast to an attribute. And now you can see that the line's connected and it looks a little bit more put together. You can also edit the forecast. So I can come over, drag my mouse over to the forecast, right click and go to forecast options. And now you can change the forecast length and other things about the forecast. So I could change this to, let's say I want to do 6 quarters instead of 1 year. So that's about a year and a half. And then you can change the prediction interval. So let's say I want to change it to 90. You can change other things here in the forecast options. So I can go ahead and press OK. And now you can see we have our forecasted values. You can also add an average line. So if I go here and just add an average line here, you can see that the average sales is this amount that's shown. And then if we want to change the average on the line to say the actual value of the average, not just say average, we can go ahead and right click, edit, and then it comes up with this edit box. You can change the label to value, click OK, and now we have the value here. Then you can also mess around with the formatting. So if you want this to be in currency, you can go ahead and change that. You can also change the tooltip, the size, the color,